doing? I've got you on film. I'm going to let them see you play. I am. Ooh, big girl. Big girl. Look. Oops. Clever girl. You got some catnip stuff coming today as well. Look. I swear she's sleeping on my head and my head is at a 90-degree angle to my neck this morning. What are you doing? What's that? What's that? Don't touch it. Go on then. Little wiggle of the bum before she pounces. Hey. Clever girl. You nearly knocked it over then, silly. Look. Where's all your other things? Where's all your other things? Look at this. I want to listen to my book for half an hour. You spoiled a choice. Go quiet. Not for long, I can hear you. Here she comes. Hello. Hello, silly girl. Ouch! Ow, you little bugger. Ow! Harriet. Oh, hello. Hello, little chicken. Look. Oh! That was a big jump. This cat has been on the go for 5 hours, give or take a 10-minute She's so lively. She'll rest, but as soon as I move, that's it, she's awake. Hello. There she is. Have you got your ball stuck behind there? You got it in there, you can get it out. There you go. Now where are you? Now where are you? Silly girl. The curtains are drawn back so she can have a nose out the window. A brush is here. Where you gone? You want your fur combed? You want your fur combed? I've been told I've got to leave you to it. Because you're too attention seeking. Is that true? Is that true? She came out. Did you see the poor shot out, got a little mouse and took it back onto the bed? What are you doing to that poor mouse under there? What are you doing to her? That poor mouse. Where's your mouse gone? Here it is, look. You're going to have me doing somersaults. Look, here's your mouse. Harriet. What are you doing to this poor mouse? You're going to have its head off. You've got some snakes coming today. Catnip snakes. She's getting bigger already, I can tell. You're getting bigger already. I'm feeding her twice a day, as I said. Half a pouch in the morning, half a pouch in the evening, with a little bit of dry food mixed in, and just a little bit of dry food, a tiny bit during the day, and a couple of dreamies, sweets, cat treats, and always fresh water. Water's changed about 4 times a day. So let's put your mouse on top, see what you do. Oh, look. If it'll stay. There you go. Where's your mouse? Look. Look. There you go, you've seen it now. So there she is. There's Harriet at play. I hope you enjoyed it. She's wearing me out. I'll be back later.